the ultimate showdown: CoinStats versus Coinbase. And don't forget to click on the link in the description below to try them out. So let's start with CoinStats. CoinStats is your go-to all-in-one portfolio tracker and crypto management tool. It's perfect for investors who want to monitor their investments across various exchanges. With its user-friendly interface, advanced charting tools, and real-time market data, CoinStats is great for both beginners and seasoned traders. It's like having a personal assistant for your crypto investments. On the flip side, we've got Coinbase. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange platform designed for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Think of it as your gateway to the crypto world. It offers a simple and secure way to invest in popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Plus, Coinbase provides educational resources and a super user-friendly interface, making it ideal for beginners. So, how do you choose between the two? Well, it all boils down to your individual needs. If you're looking to track your portfolio, analyze market trends, and manage your crypto assets, CoinStats is your best bet. But if your goal is to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies directly, Coinbase has got you covered. Remember, both platforms have their unique strengths. CoinStats is like your all-seeing eye on the market, while Coinbase is your direct link to buying and trading crypto. It's not about choosing the better one, but rather choosing the right one for you. So, whether you're a beginner dipping your toes in the crypto waters or a seasoned trader looking to keep track of your diverse portfolio, there's a platform out there that fits your needs. Don't forget to click on the link in the description below to try them out and see which one suits you best. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Catch you in the next video.